It's not every day that we find buried treasure inside a wall like this. But around the year 1904, some personal items stored in the attic above this kitchen fell down into this wall and landed on the framing above the door, and stayed there for 116 years. Here's some of the cool things I found. A box of shoelaces from around 1904. Here's an ad I found on the internet. A marble. Why am I always finding marbles on every job? A 1904 event program for the First Baptist Church. A box of Listerine gum. No gum. A box for cat worshippers. Probably playing cards or, I don't know, catnip. A chrome cigarette rolling paper dispenser. A gift from a local bank. A container of skin powder. Here's an advertisement I found on the internet from 1903. A postcard advertisement for shaving soap from 1902. But for me, the best find was this math textbook from 1886 with student signatures and dates including 1887 and 1890. I wonder what the late fee is for this book for not returning it for over 100 years. And what the heck am I going to find on my next job?